call on Miss Egypt, Miss Crystal Marie Lopez.
Hi, Miss Crystal. Kamusta ka? Nararamdaman mo ngayon? You don't have to feel nervous. Everybody's here supporting you.
Marami kang fans.
Sige, namili ka na lang sa akin.
Pili ang question.
Bakla ko 1,000 ko malautang mo sa inyo. Napa-order ka ng sapat, tapos sa slide.
Ito ang question. Gaano kahalaga sa iyo ang prinsipyo?
That's a very wonderful question. Well, for me, principle is the most important thing in our world. Because, ladies and gentlemen, if you have principle in life, you will have dignity and conscience in your heart. And if you have conscience in your heart, because I believe conscience is not a physical thing that you can pinpoint out in a matter of sense. Rather, it's a moral sense that can distinguish what is right from what is wrong.
Ngayon, tawagin natin ang ating candidate number 4.
Miss Israel, Miss Shine Salonga.
Hi, Miss Shine.
Hello.
Kumusta ka? Ayos na yun. Okay.
Kinakabahan ka ba?
Okay lang yun. Okay, ito. Mamalik ka na lang tanong.
Wait, tapos pa yung bukas.
Original question. Ano sa tingin mo ang maitutulong ng ating pamahalaan sa pagbagsak ng ating ekonomiya sa ngayon?
Ang maitutulong lamang po ng ating pamahalaan sa pagbagsak ng ating ekonomiya ngayon ay ang pabagsakin ng ating presidente, na si Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. Dahil alam po nating lahat na simula na umupo ang ating Pangulo ngayon ay nagtaas ang pangangailangan natin sa pang-araw-araw. At yun lamang po, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Sabi mo sa sagot niya.
Ayaw niya kay Gloria.
Ayun na, ayun. Sige, tawagin na natin si...
Miss Korea, Miss Maxine Moro.
Hi, Miss Maxine.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Marami kang fans.
Thank you. Okay, sige.
Yung question. Anong figure ang kahalintulad ng iyong buhay at bakit? Circle, square, or triangle?
Thank you for that interesting question. But the question is, what figure will I choose? Is it circle, square, or triangle? Well, definitely I will choose circle to represent my life. Why did I say so? Because just like a beauty pageant, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. I believe that circle represents my life because being a gay, we're always been discriminated, eliminated, and dominated in this society, which is the downside of homosexuality. And the upper side will be this beauty pageant, which lessen the criticism of gays, and as well as this is one way to accept gays in this society. That will be all, and thank you.
Wow, very nice answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 5.
May we call on Miss Monaco, Miss Angel Santos.